Hi everyone, I'm Ryan with Talos Drones, and today we are doing a durability test with the Talos T60X. All right, and now to test with pumpkins. Again, I'm Ryan with Talos Drones, and that was the durability test with the Talos T60X. A couple things to note. Number one, obviously this is a warranty. We are intentionally causing damage to the drone. Again, bear in mind, we are professionals, so we kept our distance. We made sure everything was safe about what we were doing. And also, kind of a conclusion with the test, for example, with the dirt, there was some rocks in the dirt. So obviously the propeller hit that, and we can see here that there's plenty of damage here. So we can see that pretty much with the propellers, they're not invincible. So let's say if you hit a branch, obviously if you hit a rock, it's going to crack, it's going to break off, such as this. Another thing to note with the pumpkin, when the pumpkin hit the motor, it was enough force to stop the motor and overall stop the entire drone. So that was a good showcase of the safety features of the drone. For example, like if it crashes, you can basically see that the propellers and everything will not continue spinning while it's on the ground. So that was a good showcase of that.
All right, so we're back in the office and we're reviewing the footage, and you can see on the playback that when we threw the dirt and the rock hit the propeller and broke the propellers, the drone actually just adjusted by itself to make sure it maintained a stable flight. So we can see here that even with the propellers damaged to the degree that our drone is, the drone will do what it can to actually maintain a stable and essentially as safe as possible flight.
Again, I'm Ryan with Talos Drones, and that was the Talos T60X durability test. What?